Welcome back to Overheat. According to projections, the 2026 BMW Motorhome will be the ideal fusion of BMW luxury, cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and mobile home comfort. Outside aerodynamic and futuristic design, the motorhome's exterior is probably going to follow the most recent BMW design language, which has sleek lines, tasteful proportions, and futuristic elements. When it comes to driving steadiness and fuel efficiency, aerodynamics will be crucial. Iconic Kidney Grille. BMW's iconic Kidney Grille will probably continue to be the front end's main attraction, possibly with a more contemporary appearance, better lighting, or even the addition of sensors and cameras. Advanced LED lighting, LED matrix, or laser technology is probably going to be used in headlights and taillights, providing better visibility and a stylish appearance. Premium materials. To improve efficiency and longevity, the motorhome's body is anticipated to be built from lightweight, robust materials like aluminum or carbon fiber. Inside, high-end luxury, Nappa leather, genuine wood, and metal accents are anticipated to be among the high-end materials used within the 2026 BMW Motorhome. Every element will be thoughtfully planned to produce an opulent and unique ambience. Flexible and ergonomic layout. To optimize both space and functionality, the interior layout will be designed. Comfortable mattresses, movable or folding seats, and tables that can be adjusted will provide a range of sleeping, lounging, and dining arrangements. Fully furnished kitchen. The RV will probably have a contemporary kitchen with a smart refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, sink with hot and cold water, and well-planned storage. Technology and performance, hybrid or electric powertrain options. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is anticipated to provide a selection of plug-in hybrid or possibly fully electric powertrains, in line with worldwide automotive trends.